I am still on page 178 at the skill review. Read each problem and complete the task. Identify the type of system shown in the graph. Well, we don't have to do a thing except realize that there is one point of intersection. These two equations touch each other in exactly one spot. That makes it an independent system. There's exactly one solution for the system. Number 2, which statement or statements are true of this system of linear equations? So we have independent or dependent. We have a solution choice in C and D. So the only way I'm going to know this is to solve the system. And so let's study it out here. I think I'm going to do this one with substitution. So I have negative 3x. Actually, I think I'll do elimination. I have negative 3x plus 2y is negative 12. And under here, I have x minus y is 2. Both of these are in standard form. So if I can get this bottom one to have a positive 3x, I've got it. So it's already got the x, I just want to give it a positive 3, and I have to do that to both sides. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times negative y is negative 3y. And then 3 times 2 is 6. So once this one is gone, you're ready to work with what's left. The x's are going to cancel. 2 minus 3 is negative 1 for your y's. And negative 12 minus 6 is negative 6. Divide by 1 negative, and you're left with a y value of positive 6. Now C is looking good to me, but remember it said there can be more than one true answer. And also remember that a solution to a system is a point. So 6 is the y value. We need to find the x value. So I'm going to use that x minus y is 2. That's the easiest equation. So we have x minus 6 is 2. So x is going to be positive 8. And there's y. And here's the solution. So C is an answer, but so is A, because it has only one point that will satisfy both equations. So this one is A and C. It is an independent system with solution 8, 6. Number 3. Find the values of two numbers if their sum is 5 and their difference is 1. Write a system of equations to solve the problem and then solve it. Find the values of x and y. So I'm going to let my two numbers be x and y. So the first number and the second number are going to be x and the second will be y. Their sum, that's addition, is 5. And their difference is 1. So here is your system. You have x plus y is 5. F minus s, sorry, I'm doing first and second. You can tell where my brain is. X minus y is 1. That is the answer to the first question. You have x plus y is 5. X minus y is 1. They want to know the actual system. And then we need to solve it. I'm going to do this one with substitution. And I'm going to put it right up here because or you know what? Elimination is probably my best bet on this one too. I'm rethinking that. I may like elimination better than substitution, but you could use either. I don't even need to do anything. I've already got an opposite x, an opposite y. So let's cancel those two. All right. So I am left with 2 x's equaling 6. So x is 3. But remember, the solution to a system is a point. So we need to substitute that 3 into one of our equations. I think I'll just use the first one. Doesn't matter. So 3 plus something is 5. And I know that has to be a 2. So x is 3 and y is 2. And that is the solution to the system. So answer B is going to be the point 3, 2. Okay, number 4. A quiz has 20 questions worth a total of 40 points. Each multiple choice question is worth 1 point, and each short answer question is worth 5 points. Which system of equations can be used to represent this situation? So let's put it in our own words first. I think I'm going to highlight on this one. A quiz has 20 questions worth a total of 40 points. Then here's the other scenario. Each multiple choice question is worth 1 point, and each short answer question is worth 5 points. So we have 2 variables, questions and points. We also have 2 variables, multiple choice and short answer. So let's take the first scenario first. The quiz is worth 40 points. So think about what the quiz is. Is it all one type of question? No. The quiz is multiple choice and short answer. And together, those equal 40. So I'm going to let the multiple choices be the x's and the short answer be the y's, and those are going to get combined to be the 40. Excuse me. I'm all messed up. Don't erase. I want to change this value. The quiz total is in terms of questions, not points. So it's 20 questions. So that equal sign should be a 20. So there's my first equation. X plus y is 20. You could eliminate B and D right now. because they don't have that condition. So it has to be A or C. So to know which it is, we need to take a look at the other part. This was the yellow part. And really, I need to change my highlighting a little bit. This should be purple because it goes with the actual point. 40 points matches up to 1 and 5, so those all go together. All right, so here comes the next part. We know that the multiple choice and the short answers make up 40 points. And we know that the multiple choices are the X's and the short answers are the Y's. We're adding them together. But we know that each multiple choice question is worth 1 point, and each short answer is worth 5 points. So do we have something similar? Plain X plus 5 times each of the Y's is 40. There is the other part of this system, and I like answer A. I want to tell you about answer C. Let's look at that just a second. This is saying right here that the multiple choice are worth 5 points and the short answer are worth 5 points. So the problem with this one is that 5 right there. Short answers are worth 5, but multiple choices are only worth 1. So number 4 should be A. And that was the end of this page, so I'm going to stop the video.